Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam.
What is National Monetization Pipeline? On August 23, 2021, India launched the Asset Monetization Pipeline of Federal Ministries of Public Sector Entities. National Monetization Pipeline NMP Volume 1 and 2. This aims to monetize core assets under the central government to tune the INR 6,000 billions, that is 81 billion US dollars over a period of 4 years from financial year 2022 to 2025. The pipeline is envisaged an holistic approach which not only serves as an infrastructure funding mechanism but is aimed at bringing an overall shift in infrastructure operation, augmentation and maintenance by leveraging resources efficiencies of the private sector and adopting a global best practices. NMP's two-volume roadmap has been formulated by government's policy think tank Niti Aayog in consultation with infrastructure line ministers to fulfill the asset monetization mandate of government as proposed in federal budget 2021 and 22. The government has clarified that while the rights will be transferred to private players, the ownership will be retained by the government. What does the national monetization pipeline purpose? The NMP's new scheme to establish structured contractual partnership between the government and private players and thereby generate sustainable infrastructural funding by monetizing core brownfield infrastructure assets, that these assets where operational infrastructure has already been built. The scheme will enable infrastructure creation through mutual beneficial collaboration between the public and private sector, each of whom excel in their respective areas of competence and deliver on the government's socio-economic growth promises. The NMP does not include monetization proposals through disinvestments. For the purpose of monetization, core assets refers to those assets that are central to the business objective of the public entity or the statutory government body and are being utilized for delivering infrastructure service to the public and users at large. The NMP roadmap identifies 13 core sectors under which assets are being to be monetized. These identified assets will be leased out to the private sector on a long-term basis. It is being reported that the lease will be applicable for 4 to 5 decades. The NMP has laid down their conceptual approach and potential model for asset monetization, including the public-private partnership model. While the pipeline currently includes only assets under the central government line ministries and the central public sector enterprises in infrastructure sectors, this process to coordinate the asset pipeline to respective Indian states is simultaneously ongoing. How will the national monetization pipeline be implemented? The assets and the transactions will be backed by various direct contractual and capital market instruments, nature of assets, time of transactions, etc. Suitable policies and regulations interventions will be made on an as needed basis. Work is underway to set an asset monetization dashboard on real time monitoring. An empowered committee has been constituted by the government to implement and monitor the program. The core group of secretaries on asset monetizations CGAM will be headed by the cabinet secretary.
Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.